Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve the problem of your white screen in Instagram here. So after a new update here in Instagram, the Instagram showing white screen or black screen in your Instagram feed here. So if you want to solve this problem, if I go to Play Store here, as you can see I have an update option in my Instagram, but for the new update I'm having the problem here because I'm using a old version of Instagram here which don't problem with my Android phone here. So if you want to solve this problem for completely, you have to install a older version of Instagram here, or you can just wait for the new update, or you can just update your Instagram here. Just go to the Play Store and update it and check it, that helps for you, or you can just reinstall it. So to download a older version of your Instagram here, go to any browser here. So I'm going to Chrome browser here and go to the Google here and search for Instagram old version here, and you will find a lots of website to download the old version here. So I'm going to go to uptodown.com here, and you can download any other old version here from the April or May 2020. So just download the APK older version from here, just download it and install it, and hope this will be fix your Instagram white screen feed or black screen in Instagram here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.